In this episode, we spend the day cleaning and organizing to get ready to sail. Cyndi cleans out the head and applies teak oil, while I organize the salon area. Afterwards, when the boat is ready, I made baby back ribs. Hey, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Cyndi.
And this is our dream of leaving the comforts of a mainstream lifestyle to live like pirates. Cyndi joined me as first mate, and we have been unstoppable ever since.
Rodney and I have set ourselves to a new adventure each week as we're learning the ropes of being a sailing couple.
Each season there are plenty of things to do to get the boat ready and get out on the water.
When we're not working, we're creating food and drinks from the galley and searching for adventures around the docks with friends and locals.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on our way to more sailing and adventures as we sail into Nirvana.
Next cleaning project is to get this head in order. So we have just stuff everywhere from being in winter mode. We need to clean in here and spec down in there. We're going to clean in here and spec down in there. Get the shelvings organized, here organized. Go through things we don't use anymore. Get it ready to go. What's Rodney doing?
Making ribs, of course.
Yes, everyone has to eat. We eat good here on the yacht.
We do, and these are going to be some extra meat baby back ribs.
I'm ready.
See, extra meaty pork back ribs.
What girl doesn't like extra meaty?
Right. Got to be girth.
So while we're in here cleaning, the head has a lot of teak and we got to keep it clean and conditioned. So we will wipe down the fiberglass, we'll wipe down all this with one cleaner, and then we're going to use a different cleaner on the teak to make sure we keep the wood in good shape. And then after it dries, we'll follow up with teak oil, and it'll be nice and shiny and pretty for our guests.
Paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall in the night, the stormy.
Okay, it looks like a mess, but it's an organized mess. Right now we have got everything wiped down. I have not oiled the teak yet. That'll be the last thing that I do. But for now, what we need to do is have Captain Rodney come in and inspect these areas and make sure we're good to go for sailing.
So through this compartment is access to the through hole. These look dry.
Oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise. Oh, this could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise.
Anything we're not worried about. We have everything inspected. There's nothing that we're concerned about. Everything looks good. Head is clean. All right, the next thing I'm going to tackle while Rodney is working on the salon and staining wood is this area here. Get it cleaned out, reorganized, inspect back in here.
Alright, we made it back in the salon. We got it all cleaned out. Still
Oh
got some more work to do, but hey, we're back here in the salon at our nice table, and we've got
hungry.
some meaty ribs
Yes, some meaty ribs.
and some butt kisser, ghost pepper, and a little bit milder verde Tabasco. Let's see what these ribs are all about.
It's about energy so we can keep on cleaning.
Oh yeah, cook those for 3 hours while we're cleaning.
Oh, they look good.
Right, okay.
They look good.
Kabam.
Heck yeah.
That's got my Red Dragon, of course. We'd be needing these
Yes, we're low on energy right now.
when we're at this stage of cleaning the salon.
Yes. Winter is being cleaned out,
Right.
for sure.
Let's check this out. Let's see here.
You have no words. You have no words.
Hand me a napkin, will you, sugar?
Sure.
Woo! So now, pick your poison.
Probably.
I'm gonna go with ghost pepper sauce, butt kisser.
I might do a
See what happens when I put that on.
I'm not gonna do it like
rib.
you are.
Oh no, I'm gonna be like a pirate.
Second. I'm not gonna do it like that. I'll put a little here and I'll dip into
like
it.
Like 1,
2 pin drops.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go.
Do it. How hot is it?
Oh, it's good.
In the 30 seconds.
But it's moving around.
Wow,
that one's not.
I
had that one in my beer. It's really good.
Yeah, real mild.
Put it on the side, yeah.
Real mild. We still have cleaning to do.
Yeah, we're going to eat these ribs and kind of clean for another 2 hours. And then we're going to do some fishing. Mm-hmm. Right?
Yes.
Get some catfishing in tonight.
Yes.
All right?